Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade X Arc Wizard R40 455 low orb. I got the Hasbro version, but I do have a TT version too. Just got in. Stay tuned for videos of that. But yeah, I'm doing Hasbro stuff first, and also a sneak peek of what's coming next. Yeah, I just got home from work. That's why I sound tired and look like I'm sweaty because I am. Literally, it's pretty hot outside right now. I don't have my, I'm using a phone for this video, but yeah. Let's go. Yeah, this is part of my everyday carry. I switch out my collection. Sadly, I would do a collection of my knives and everything like that, but YouTube being a little annoying with stuff like that for everyday carry stuff, it's just way too annoying to deal with. Let's switch the camera. There we go. There we go. This is my first look for this bay. This is, yeah. Definitely can't wait to see what this does. Here's the tip. Bit. Or not bit, but yeah. This is actually very interesting to have. This low stamina bit, or yeah, I'm gonna close this up so I won't cut myself. There's the 455 ratchet, and the low orb tip. Let's put this together. There we go. Where's this? Okay, there we go. And the 450 ratchet. Really low. An orb. Really nice piece to my collection. So let's add it to my collection. But yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.